If you want to turn off dark mode in the Evernote app, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps on the desktop app so you can switch from dark mode to a lighter look in just a few clicks. This is a simple fix, but if you've never changed Evernote's appearance settings before, it can be a little confusing at first. So I'll keep it clear, fast, and easy to follow. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Evernote desktop app on your computer. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of the navigation menu and click your profile name. This is where Evernote keeps the account and app level settings. After you click your profile name, a drop-down menu should appear. From that menu, select Settings. On some versions of Evernote, this may be labeled Preferences instead, so don't worry if you see that wording. They both lead you to the same general area. Now that you're in the Settings window, look for a section called Preferences, then choose Application. This is the area where Evernote stores options related to how the app looks and behaves. Once you're inside the application settings, look for the Appearance or Theme option. This is the key setting that controls whether Evernote uses dark mode, light mode, or follows your device theme. To turn off dark mode, change the setting to light. If you prefer Evernote to automatically follow your computer's system theme, you can also choose Match System Settings instead. But if your goal is to fully disable dark mode, light is the option you want. After selecting light, the app should update immediately, and you should see the interface switch from dark colors to a brighter background. If the change doesn't happen right away, close and reopen Evernote once, and the new theme should apply properly. That's really all there is to it. You've now turned off dark mode in the Evernote desktop app and switched to a lighter viewing mode. This is especially helpful if you work during the day, want better visibility, or just prefer a cleaner, brighter interface. If you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more step-by-step app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.